All right. Hello, everybody. This is a video for the data management class to show how to install the Data Analysis Toolkit in Excel for analyzing data. There's a lot of powerful tools available, and I want to show you how to use it. So let's go to Excel. I'm going to use actually this one when I get there. We're going to copy some data in first. Actually, no, I'll show you how to install the toolkit first. You go to the File tab, down to Options, and you go to Add-ins, which right there, Add-ins, and then you want to select the Analysis Toolkit tool pack and click OK and follow the prompts to add it in. I can't really do that because it's already in mine. I'll show you where it is. So cancel that, go to Data, and you'll see it right there, Data Analysis. So once you install that, you'll see that little option. So I'll show you the power of this next here. Let's go to our lesson. Here, there's a table of values here, right, for healthcare data. So you can actually just right-click and copy that and paste that in there. Now in the online lesson file here, it shows, that they calculated the range and the Q1 and Q2 and the interquartile range and the standard deviation. And we're going to confirm those numbers with Excel. So here we go. All you have to do is click on Data Analysis. There's a couple of things to watch for. So Data Analysis, Descriptive Statistics is what you need. You click OK, and then you need to select where your data is. So I'm going to select this data here, which it's coming up automatically because I've already ran through this. But there we go, select it. And it's weird, you have to click X. And it seems like you're closing things, but really just closing that window, going back to the window where you were. You'll have to select an output range. And so you'll click there and say, okay, let's put that stuff here. I'll just give it a nice big window to fit stuff in. Doesn't really matter what you select. And you have to select summary statistics. So mine's already selected because I've been doing this for this lesson, but you'd have to actually specify output range, summary statistics. It doesn't do it automatically. And you click OK, and it goes boom, gives it to you. So make this a little bigger so you can see the names and values of things, maybe a little bigger than I need. There you go. So it's saying that the range, for example, is 18.821. Go back to our lesson. Hey, 18.821, look at that. And it says standard deviation is 4.670. Standard deviation, 4.670, even more decimals. So you can see this is pretty handy for calculating things. You need to know how to do it by hand as well, just to understand what's going on. Sometimes large data sets and the power of data analysis in the program is pretty handy. All right, so I want you to go and do that for that lesson with all those parts.